Hey, welcome to the video. I'm going to show you guys how to do some unions really quick. It's a pretty simple process, and I'm going to hop right into it. So you probably already have two parts that you want. One part that's going to take out from the other part, and if you don't know what that means yet, I'm going to show you. So here's my original part. I'm going to scale it up a little bit because I want mine to be a little bit bigger for the example. And this part here is going to be called my original part. And that's just what I'm going to call it for this example. And I'm going to take a duplicate of this part. Yours doesn't have to be a duplicate, you just have to have two parts. And they have to be colliding or intersecting. And I want to take this part out of the original part. And I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So I'm going to come up here to the model, and on the part that we're taking out of this, we want to click negate. And once we do that, it'll still have it selected. And now we want to select all the parts that we want to union together. So I'm going to control click on part, and now click union, and it should put a hole in this part. And there you go. It puts a hole in the parts, and the part that we had before is now gone. It is where the hole is. Hope this helps. Hope this was pretty easy and a clear example, and thanks for watching.